From a house sinking into a river during a powerful flood in 2015, to the startling moment a small tsunami strikes a fishing village in Greenland. Here are 5 times that Mother Nature got angry on camera. Greenland tsunami. The settlement of Nugatsiak consists of a small village of 84 inhabitants located on an island off the southern coast of the Nunavik Peninsula in Greenland. Back on June 17, 2017, a landslide occurred in the Karat Fjord, about 20 kilometers away from the village. This landslide produced what experts are calling a mega tsunami, and it was headed right for the village. Some locals realized something was up and began filming, ultimately capturing the exact moment it came crashing into land. The Nugatsiak tsunami was definitely one for the record books. By the time the wave reached the village, it had substantially subsided, but was still able to do a great deal of damage and sadly take 4 innocent lives. Thankfully, though, those in this video escaped uninjured and with this exclusive footage of the rare event. Ganges River Erosion. The Indian district of Malda is located about 215 miles north of Calcutta, the capital of West Bengal. It is famous for its premium products such as mangoes, jute, and silk, and its incredible natural beauty and immense architectural works. Still, it has also made quite a reputation for its natural disasters. On September 15, 2015, locals in a village witnessed just how dangerous and destructive Mother Nature can be. Given its location along the Ganges River, floods are common, and on this day ended up damaging loads of property. Video shot by locals shows the floodwaters raging and the exact moment a home collapses from the erosion.
ঘর নিচে থেকে গেল
Sadly, this is not the first time that flooding and erosion problems of the Ganges River have affected West Bengal. According to Indian authorities, this river absorbs an estimated 8 kilometers of land annually, putting residents in great danger daily. Thankfully, that has not been the case for the witnesses of this event, who managed to escape the situation unscathed. Tornado destroys homes. The Czech Republic is a sovereign country in Central Europe bordered by Germany, Austria, Slovakia, and Poland. Within its vast territory lies a city with a population of 26,000 known as Hodonín. On July 21, 2021, the citizens of Hodonín encountered one of the most chilling and unimaginable situations possible outright outside of their homes. During a storm, a rare tornado formed. The video that was recorded by a resident shows the tornado moving in the distance, only a few hundred feet away.
Stromy padajú, hajzlo.
As mentioned, this was an extremely rare event for the country. The tornado measured in as an F4, one of the highest ratings possible. It tracked through several towns, destroying property and businesses. Miraculously, the town of Hodonín was mostly spared and no injuries were reported. Officials now say that this tornado was the strongest the country has ever seen. Severe hailstorm. The town of Marienburg is located on a plateau in the northern foothills of the Ore Mountains, about 31 kilometers south of Chemnitz. Marienburg's summers are usually pretty hot, while its winters are long, cold, and windy. However, that doesn't stop its weather from becoming much more unstable and unpredictable when people least expect it. On August 4, 2013, the citizens of Marienburg were caught off guard when a powerful storm hit the city. Intrigued, one man took out his camera and began rolling, capturing the moment powerful hailstones pounded his property. According to local media, the hailstorm that blanketed this small city with a giant white sheet of ice was composed of golf ball-sized hailstones that damaged cars, houses, and gardens alike. Fortunately, none of those present were injured during this freak storm. Deer freaks out over hurricane-force winds. Back on August 10, 2020, the city of Cedar Rapids, Iowa was met with a powerful storm. A Derecho had moved up the country and was now hitting the city with full force. Video shot from a resident's porch shows winds and gusts up to 230 kilometers per hour hammering his property. Perhaps the highlight of the video, though, is the deer that appears on camera, seemingly spooked by the extreme weather. The Derecho in this video lasted only 2 days, but in that time was able to impact 5 separate states. Derechos are known for their hurricane-like winds, which in this case were enough to cause an astounding $11 billion in damages and prompt a years-long cleanup effort. Thankfully, the man who took this video turned out alright, and hopefully that deer made it to safety. Crazy floods in Turkey. The town of Bazkır in the Black Sea region of Turkey has a population of just 8,945 people. It's not exactly a large or noteworthy place, but it was the unfortunate victim of a powerful flood back in 2021. On August 13th of that year, rivers swelled to dangerous levels following days of rainfall. Soon, mudslides and flash floods swept through the streets, flooding, damaging, and even destroying many people's property and businesses.
Allah'ım inşallah kimsenin bir canına zarar gelmemiştir.
Some locals blame the floods on mismanagement of rivers and waterways, allowing them to swell uncontrollably during heavy rainfall. Multiple bridges were destroyed, and some buildings even collapsed. While nobody was injured in this video, the flooding as a whole was responsible for many lives lost. Well, that's all we have time for today. If you have a clip you want to see featured on the channel, you can send in your submissions to the link down below or go to submit.monthlyfails.tv. Otherwise, click the link on the screen now to see more videos just like this. And with that, we will catch you in the next one.